Okay, so I'm about to go to the beach in Senor. Drive 45 minutes to get there. And I'm gonna take some kratom before I go. So kratom is just a leaf that grows naturally here in Indonesia, and it gives you energy, kind of makes you feel euphoric. It's like a very clean, lucid experience. Something I maybe do like once every 6 months, not very often. It's like super bitter. Look at that. Taking like maybe like half of a teaspoon, so not very much. Yeah, very bitter. All right, to the beach. All right, so me and my friend Aline are lost. Kami tersesat. We're trying to find our way back to civilization. As you can see, we are out in the jungle, and it looks as if there's a trail, but we made this trail, and now we're having to walk back because it doesn't lead to anywhere really. Now we're just hiking. Yeah, this place is amazing. What do you think about this place?
Bagus.
Yes, so much greenery here. And if you guys have watched my videos and know a little bit about who I am, you know that the forest is like one of my most favorite places to be in the whole wide world. Just because it's so green, the air is so fresh, and I feel like this primal energy comes up. Like I feel like I'm kind of walking with my ancestors in a way, and I think that's because this is what we did back in the day. We would hunt and forage for food in the jungle. That would be my bathroom if I lived here. No, I wouldn't use a tree as a bathroom. I would probably make a hole in the ground to be honest. Okay, so right now we are at a wedding, and yeah, they've known each other for, well, they've been in a relationship for 1 week, and now they're getting married. Pretty amazing. Yeah, these are the people that we met before in the village. Okay, so we're all hiking. I forgot what the trail is called, but it's to a temple on the very top of this mountain, and it's gonna have a very beautiful view. Yeah, I ended up making a post on Facebook, and that's how I met all of these people. Check it out, y'all. This is at the very top of the mountain of Pucak Mangu in Bali. This is one of the most beautiful jungle treks here. And this is what you get rewarded with. And there's monkeys. Check it out. So many blessings here. And here's the rest of our crew. What'd you think of the hike, Kimmy?
It's nice, wonderful. I love that.
Wonderful.
This is the very, very high.
Yeah, we're very high. What did you think of the hike?
It's amazing. It's a life-changing experience. It's my first time.
Awesome.
And won't be the last time. I recommend everyone who watch your video will do the walk or the hike like us. Just prepare your energy before or do some walk.
Yeah.
Walk at home.
Lots of water.
Yeah, and lots of water. Yeah, we forgot about that. We have very minimum water.
Yeah. So look at this. That goes down like super far here. This is the only sketchy part pretty much of the trail. Because you have to hold on to this rope and scale down. Oh, look at my new place. Right now I'm currently in Bali, and this is like, as you can see, not really much protection from mosquitoes. That's pretty cool. Has a kitchen. Yeah, I might just stay here for tonight or maybe 2 days. I'm not sure. I might ask if I can stay up in that room and be protected from the mosquitoes. Yeah. Let's go ask. I actually left that hotel, well, that homestay, because there was a bunch of holes and I don't really feel like getting bothered by mosquitoes. But I ended up finding another place, and yeah, it seems like way better, at least for me. Yeah, check it out. Like, no tourists here. And I bet even if it wasn't like COVID season, there would still be not very many tourists here, because yeah, Balian is just a part of Bali that isn't well known, or at least by tourists. Yeah, right now I'm kind of just walking over here because it looks like there's like maybe a small cave. Then I have to walk all the way back. Yeah, I just found out yesterday that I have to leave Indonesia in like 20-something days. So yeah. Kind of sad about it because I want to stay in Indonesia for a while, but yeah, I get it. It's they have to do what they have to do. So yeah, now I'm just trying to figure out if I want to go back home, save some money, and then come back to Asia whenever this COVID is over and you can travel again, or if I should go to Greece or Turkey, because those are some countries that are actually accepting tourists. Yeah, I gotta look into that and see where I want to go. Man, this sand just feels like I'm walking on Play-Doh or something. It's very, very nice sand for walking. Yeah, I guess looks can be deceiving because there isn't much of a cave right here. Nonetheless, it's a pretty nice rock. I guess I can, whoa. And the sand is like a completely different color. Wow. This is actually really nice. I like this spot. It's like volcanic. This is so cool. I wish you all got to experience what I'm experiencing right now, because legit, this sand feels amazing. Looks like a dead crab. Yep. If I was more adventurous, I would go that way, but I don't really feel like rock climbing right now. I'm gonna keep enjoying this and then probably gonna chill on the beach. Now my plan is to just sit out here by the beach and sunbathe. I forgot to show you guys my hostel. I hope I get to show you it because I know my battery's about to die, but check out how far this beach goes. This is amazing. Super long stretch of beach. Very like dark black sand. Yeah, it looks pretty okay for swimming, but pretty big waves. Yeah, Bali, this place is amazing. It feels like the true Bali. Like, there's no tourists here. Very rural. You just see like ancient, like, I don't know, it just looks like Bali before tourism came, you know? Yeah. Alright. Talk to you guys soon.